Hi friends, I am Ajmati and this is your Chatting Mania. Press the icon and wait for some time. Wait. Then we need to create a account. First, account. So need an account. So need an intermittent password. Suppose internet.com. Okay, create an account. Then login with the same account and password. Then login. First, you need to fill up the username and status on your image. So state the profile and gallery. Dash. Okay. Okay, succeed. Then press. Hey. I am Chatting Mania. Okay, update. Okay, you get the settings. Back. Okay, so chat with friends. Privately click on the above and then press the find friends. Then click your friends. Then press find friends. There are many friends. Okay, then automatic send request. Back. Send request. Then automatic send request. Then back. Then automatic send request. Okay. Okay. Wow, many friends send you a request. Okay, if you want to accept it, then press OK or accept or cancel. After clicking accept, you and he are now friends. Suppose I might accept. Okay, friends, accept. Okay, if you want to cancel, cancel. If you cancel chat request, already sent a request, cancel chat request, and okay. Now you are the friends. If you want to send a message, then press you are now the friends. Okay, one and send hi. What? An emoji can be sent. Okay, then you send a message. Image. Press yeah. And wait, message sent. Here you see that the message. If you delete the message, press 1. Delete message, delete for me, cancel or everyone. If delete for everyone or cancel, delete for everyone. Okay, back. After then you see that the message is not, then press the photo, view this image. Okay, view this image, back or for everyone. Okay, then it's okay.